you remind me of the seasons. My favorite part of you is spring. And I know there's no rush, but this ain't no ordinary crush. So the faster you fall, the longer we'll have to be in love. I'd like to smell your hair someday. I think your hair's my favorite thing. Oh, 'cause it suits you well like an older me. When I grow into the man you need, and with all these thoughts inside my head, I don't know you well enough to be in love. This is just a crush. Oh, this is just a crush. Oh, I'd like to kiss all of your face, and I wanna see you when you're naked. Now I don't wanna rush, 'cause this ain't no ordinary crush. But the harder you fall, the more you will know what it's like to be loved. And now we meet, and I try to speak, but all I get is rosy cheeks, and then a rush of blood. It makes me blush, because I love that face so much. And now my heart's just weeping, but my mouth stays shut, 'cause I know that if I tell you that I'm falling in love, you'll ask for my name, and that'll wake me up. So for the rest of my life, yeah, you'll always just be my crush. 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 You remind me of the seasons. My favorite part of you is spring.